Bitch, I'm blessed, I choose. I'ma do what I choose. Look at me. Okay. Yeah. Don't care like Stevie, okay. Yeah. I look good, I smell like Dolce.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Who Dat 1320, back with another video. Hey man, I got a surprise for y'all. So today I'm in Athens, Georgia at my boy Tron shop, man, where I got my 1988 Monte Carlo SS T-top in the shop right now, getting ready to get a whole new makeover. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, y'all already know, y'all seen the process of what I got going with the car. I spent a lot of time with this car, man. I got it back, 3 years ago, and had it at another shop. It didn't work out, so I brought it over here to my boy Tron, and right now, man, he putting in work on my 1988 Monte Carlo SS T-top. So far, man, we got a brand new dash in. They went ahead and put the dash in. I'll upload some pictures of that later, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a little preview of it real quick. There you go. It's a little dark, but y'all can see brand new dash put in. All the wiring has been redone. Getting ready to install the speakers a little later, and we still got a little ways to go. You know, we still doing the T-tops. They look a lot better from what they was. Man, it was completely rusted out, but my boy got that taken care of already. And of course, y'all already know what's going on, man. I got the cowl hood on it, got the hood scoop on it. Anybody needs some sandblasting work done or anything of that sort, come holler at my boy Tron, man. Like I said, Athens, Georgia, he'll definitely get you right. All this is brand new equipment. My boy just got the whole setup. He just got everything connected, man. This is all new equipment. Come holler at him, man. Like I said, he do good work. Y'all gonna be I'm very pleased with what he got going on, man. This is a real shop, no gimmick. Everything real, man. Real paint booth, all that. So if y'all need some work done, come holler at my boy, Athens, Georgia. I have all the information down in the description below. If anybody is in Georgia is looking for some work to get done on any type of car, you old school, he do insurance claims, whatever, he gonna take care of you. So we definitely gonna have the description down below, and y'all come check my boy out, man. Whew. Y'all see what's going on, man. I just wanted to give y'all a preview of what's going on with the car, because I talk about it a lot. Haven't posted anything, but this is it right here. 1988 Monte Carlo T-top. This is a classic right here, man. It don't get no better than that. But like I said, anybody, this right here, some folks gonna like it, some folks won't like it. You know, this is not for everybody, but I love it. I got some plans for it. If anybody can guess what size motor I'm going with, I'm gonna go ahead and send out a $25 gift card, or I can cash out you $25. The first person to guess what size motor I'm going with gets a $25 gift card, or I cash out you $25. If you know me from work, or if you know me as a friend or just family member, please do not ruin this for everybody else. Please give my subscribers a chance to, try to figure it out. You know what I'm saying? So if anybody can guess what size motor I'm going with, hey, $25 on me. You know, I know 25 ain't a whole lot, but for some folks, hey, that's a gas right there. That's gas money right there. That's lunch money, you know what I'm saying? So if anybody can guess, hey, go for it. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think I'm going inside the Monte Carlo with. But yeah, that's it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just wanted to give y'all a preview of what's going on. What color I'm going with on the Monte Carlo. Yes, it will be candy. That's what I like. I'm from the South. That's how we get down, and I am going candy paint on the 1988 Monte Carlo SS T-top. So if anybody can guess, like I said, guess what size motor? That's $25. Guess what paint I'm going with? Yes, it's candy. That's another $25. So we're gonna go ahead and do a $50 gift card or $50 cash app if anybody can guess what I'm going with. But that's not it for today's, that'll be it for today's videos. Just something real short and simple. I just wanted y'all to, see what I got going on with the Monte Carlo SS T-top. And I do got some new wheels coming forward. I plan on putting this car on the track, but I did get rid of the wheels I had. There was some 24-inch rims, but I decided to go a different route. But like I said, if y'all can guess what size motor and what color candy I'm going with. As y'all can see, it was painted once before, but please don't get it mixed up. You can guess all day. I don't think anybody gonna get it right, but we'll see. If you family, or if you one of my close friends and you already know what I'm going with, because I talk about this car a whole lot, please give my other subscribers a chance to try to guess on what's going on with the car. Don't ruin it for nobody, please. I beg y'all not to do that. But yes, sir, this is pretty much it. And later on, I will do another review of the car once it's done. But right now, this is what we got. This is what we're working with. But y'all, please stay tuned. I got more to come. But that's it for today's video. It's raining outside, it's cold. and I just wanted to give y'all a preview of what we got going on. So it's a very short clip, but like I said, I appreciate each and every last one of y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're feeling these videos. All right, deuces.